You can win 9 out of 10 trades with this strategy and still lose your entire account balance in a single month. The math seems impossible, but here is the Iron Condor trap. You collect small premiums reliably, but one maximum loss is often 10 times larger than your average win. To fix this, we first need to structure the trade correctly. We aren't guessing direction. We are building a cage around the price using 4 specific options legs roughly 45 days out. But here is where 80% of traders fail. They hold the position until the very last day of expiration, trying to squeeze out every last penny of profit. This exposes you to gamma risk, where a small price move causes massive losses instantly. Notice how the risk skyrockets relative to the reward in the final week. The secret to monthly income isn't winning, it's velocity. Close every trade at 50% profit. This eliminates tail risk and lets you redeploy capital twice as fast. Master the exit, not just the entry. Subscribe for more.